like and subscribe.
Everyone, welcome back to my video. So for today's Minecraft video, I'm just going on an adventure. So let's get started. So as you can see, I spawned right in the middle of nowhere. So I found a village. I spawned in a village. So let's take some goodies. Let's take your stuff. Let's rob. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to interrupt you. Interrupt you? You. No one see you. No one saw you. Oh my goodness. Sorry for hurting you. What? There's nothing here. You guys are broke, man. I'm sorry about that. I'll take the bed. We need to find food. Okay. So for going on an adventure, we need some tools to build. Okay, let's go. I'll just plant like that here. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Where am I so let's go, guys. What is that, man? Let's be careful. What is that? Let's take a look at its face. Bro, why isn't he moving? Is this a player? Never seen him before. Bro, there's bye girl. I mean bye man. Bro, he's probably right about me. Okay, let's continue. For today's video, I'm going to prank my other cousin. So let's get started. I'm going to blow up her house and remake it, but she doesn't know about that. And I don't think it's a prank. Micah, let's go mining. Okay. Let's get my stuff. She doesn't think. Her house. I'm going to rebuild her house, like really. So she's down there. Where is she going? Oh my god.
Meanwhile,
So we have a lot of stuff. Like really. We have some cobblestone, coal, and iron. I had a fun day with you, Micah. Bye. Have a great day. So the prank begins. Let's go to my house. So I'm at my house and I prepared my prank materials. I'm very, very excited. What type of house should I build for her? I mean, it's a prank, but what? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, prank her. I have 8 TNT. So I hope she doesn't like really tell me about that. Let's go. I'll just leave the door open in case